Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll look at something a little different. UpLULA Pistol Magazine Loaders. Ever had trouble loading magazines? Got a lot of magazines to load? Having difficulty loading that last round into a new magazine is a common problem. Sometimes magazines have sharp edges on them. Loading in cold weather can also be a challenge. The solution may be a magazine loading tool. One popular manufacturer of these tools is an Israeli company, UpLULA. The reason I chose UpLULA by UpLULA is simply because that's the brand and unit that is most popularly offered in my local gun store. It's the unit that I see being used at the range, and it's the unit that I purchased. To be honest, other makes of magazine loaders could be just as good or even better. I don't know, because I just don't have the opportunity to try them out. Since I do have the UpLULA Universal 9mm to 45 ACP loader and the 22 long rifle converted loader, those are the only two that I'm going to review. However, I will say that UpLULA does have other units that may better fit your particular needs, and UpLULA does point out that some of their units are not recommended for all magazines. We'll take a look at some of those issues as well, but I highly suggest that you check out UpLULA's website for more specific information before you buy for your own needs. So let's get right to it. How do these mag loaders work? It's pretty simple. There's a plastic extension that's inserted to the top of the mag opening, and the mag loader is squeezed, and the extension rides on top of a spring-loaded unit or the last round loaded into the magazine. So it works like this. The loader is pulled down over the magazine, depressing the spring, allowing a round to be inserted into the magazine. Releasing the mag holder frees up the extension, the loader is lifted slightly, and the process is repeated until the mag is fully loaded. That's pretty much it with them. UpLULA offers a liner for use with the 1911 45 ACP mags, but I haven't had a need for that. The UpLULA mag loader has a lock on the top to lock the unit in the squeezed position for storage, and there's a recessed surface on the side that can be used to assist in unloading magazines. So how well does the UpLULA work? I think the UpLULA Universal 9mm to 45 ACP works really well. I use it frequently, especially with those more difficult magazines. I find that I can even use it with my 380 magazines, although it was not designed to work with them. Here's the 380 mag off of my Walther PPK, and again, although not designed for it, this autoloader works pretty good at loading in even 380 ammo. Here's the 20 round mag from my Canic, and as you can see, we can load in 9mm rounds here pretty quickly. Even that last round was fairly easy with the UpLULA loader. As I mentioned earlier, the universal unit does not work with all 9mm to 45 ACP magazines. Check out UpLULA's website to make sure that the UpLULA will work with your own gun's mag. So overall, I really think that the UpLULA Universal delivers as a really good mag loading device. As for the UpLULA 22 long rifle converted unit, while it works just fine, it hasn't been as useful for me personally. UpLULA does make a narrower baby UpLULA design for 380 to 22, but again, I'm not sure how much value that would be to me. The converted unit can be used to load magazines with a thumb assist on 22 magazines. The thumb assist is kind of common, The narrower baby model cannot. So while it might be better suited for some magazines, it's not for others, and that, depending on your needs, that can be an issue. UpLULA does offer the universal 9mm to 245 ACP unit in different colors if that's important to you. Probably more important is that UpLULA does offer an AR-15 mag loader as well. That could be of more interest. Costs have been pretty much the same out there for at about $35 a unit for the different models, about $24 for the AR-15 loader. To summarize, would I buy these again? Probably not the 22 long rifle converted model. It certainly works as it should, but I haven't found it to be all that much use to me, and I have quite a few 22 automatics. Do I use it? Well, rarely. If the magazine has an assist knob on it, that's all I've needed, and any autoloader would probably be useless. And that goes for the UpLULA's baby loader. I'm not sure I'll use it either. Now, how about the 9mm 45 ACP model? That's an awesome design. It functions beautifully. Did I get my money's worth? Absolutely. As you know, loading some 9mm and 45 mags can be challenging, especially topping off that last round. This loader makes loading a piece of cake. UpLULA definitely got this one right. Trust me on this one. Get one of these, throw it into your range bag, and I think you'll be surprised how often you do use it. Any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.